What's up everybody, so now here at whew, amazing place, the island of Batanes, with my homies here.
Yo,
Yo, what's up?
First time in Batanes.
Carl, Gio, and John Merin. Whew,
Our boss.
it was such an amazing experience to be finally here. And actually it's very cold here. I don't know what the temperature, but it's really cold. And of course, because of the recent outbreak, we need to wear some mask. And I don't know where we go for now, but I'm so excited. I'm so pumped up to be here. Let's go. So we're now here at Marlborough Hills, and wow, Batanes is so amazing, so breathtaking. Such an amazing experience to be here. I'm so glad John Merin took us here to shoot some wedding for tomorrow's event. That's the beautiful couple there for tomorrow's wedding. Yes, so full of awe just looking at the nature of God's creation. It's really amazing, and really it helps you reflect a lot, get out of the hustle and bustle in the city. But you know what, it's very cold in here, and I don't know, whew, I'm chilling in the cold wind. Just look at the amazing view. Wow. So yeah, and I think John is here, John Merin.
What's up?
So thank you for letting us come here with you, with the team. What's up? Yeah, by saying this now, I think my birthday just passed, or I don't know when will I post this, but I think this is one of the best birthday present to be here in this beautiful place. And you know, for the 28 years of my existence, I've been through a lot. You've seen all my videos, how I started in the filmmaking career. And yeah, I just want to thank God for giving me another life, for such an amazing beauty here in Batanes. It was really good. You know, I just really want to inspire people, so you know that their hard work will never fail them. You just reap what you sow. So just like the Bible said, if you're struggling right now, or you know where to start, just keep on doing it. Just don't give up. And of course, yeah, ask for God's guidance, because everything I have now is useless without God's grace. So yeah, before this vlog ends, I'm gonna share with you guys some short film here in Batanes. So let's go. Batanes has been one of the special places I'd like to visit, but by the end of January it came to reality, all thanks to John Merin and the team. As we arrived to this beautiful paradise, we were greeted by heartwarming locals, fresh breeze of air, massive landscapes, and a different level of serenity. It is as if heaven merges the earth. We had one day to explore the island before filming a wedding, so I thought this would be the perfect place to reflect about life. By the start of the year, we are all bombarded with different news, and I came to realize that life itself is so fragile. No amount of riches could ever redeem life. Definitely like a wave tossed in the ocean, and a vapor in the wind, as what the famous song said.
Because of all negative events that is happening right now, we tend to forget the beautiful creation of God, that we mainly focus our attention to man-made creation. Batanes made me realize how wonderful life was and how privileged we are to fully immerse the beauty of this paradise. How much more there in heaven? We simply had the time of our lives. And as I end this epic trip, I want to leave you this message. Life is too short. Live each day with a grateful heart. Do what you need to do. Laugh, make new friends, and know that you are here for a reason. I'll just take this one final snap of photo of this beautiful paradise and carry on. Life could be a beautiful mess, but it is a gift from God, so treasure it.